tempat yang lampu tidak ada pada malam ini. Maybe it's because of Christmas. We wanted to organize. Kita mau organize kita punya function ini pada saat tengah hari atau pagi. Tetapi dengan kata-kata nasihat daripada YB Teresa Koch, beliau mengatakan Christmas spirit must be at night. So that's why we invite all of you from DAP members, supporters, friends, PKR, PAS, and Pakatan Rakyat, and also those who are sitting on the fence, and those who are not with us here, to come together this Christmas and share the spirit of joy and a good message. Tuan-tuan dan puan, my speech has been ready, but now I cannot read it because because of the light problem. Tidak ada lampu, jadi saya tidak boleh baca your speech, which I have prepared quite for some time because it's something to do with Christmas. Tetapi I just pick a little bit of it, pick here and there to remind me about Christmas. When we talk about Christmas, apabila kita cerita pasal Christmas, it's called joy and message, the good news. And what is it? Tuan-tuan dan puan, sebagai seorang umat Kristen, ya, the good news is actually the birth of Jesus Christ, the Savior with us. He is here with us. That is the message for Christmas to me. You know, this is the spirit of Christmas, the message, the good news. Tuan-tuan dan puan, sebagai seorang Kristen, ya, dan seorang kadazan di Penampang ini, I am so happy to see all of you here because I know I'm not supposed to talk much on the political aspect of Christmas because memang tidak boleh lah kalau kita ada ceramah lain cerita kan. Ini Christmas, the spirit of Christmas. But I just want to say here, sebagai seorang umat Islam, and a lot of our brothers and sisters who are not Christian, but they're supporting us, helping us at this time of trials and tribulation. We Christians are finding it a little bit on the tough side, you know, dari segi penggunaan perkataan Allah misalnya, we are not allowed, but our past partner allow us to say, no problem, itu tidak ada masalah, kita boleh gunakan. So we have past brother to do it, and sisters to say, we can do it. At the same time, kita ada tribulation, you know, for example, in KL, you know, we have been accused of setting up a Christian nation, all this. This is trial and tribulation, tuan-tuan dan puan. This is kita punya challenges ahead of us as Christian, because we know that we are free, yeah, to profess any religion and to practice it. Itulah pada petang ini kita ada Tuan Haji Ansari dan members from PAS and other religion here with us to share the joy and the spirit, you know, the message of Christmas. Jadi I don't want to, saya tidak mau kasih panjang lebar lagi, cuma saya tahu dalam hati tuan-tuan dan puan. Okay, YB, Mr. Mutu baru mengatakan sini, say a few kadazan word. Aku boleh lagi membahas kadazan na aku mau lagi tuhun, ya, mantat supaya tempat dahil kiba Tamalut Daghay, mantat Kamabong, yeah, we have a group of Kamabong, Tinaw na Murut, Tinaw lagi na Rumus, mantat Putunggong. Ako mo lagi mantat Kike, Tinampang, Tinaw na Tionghoa. Jadi apa boleh buat, saya mau buat sesuatu yang saya boleh buat, yaitu kita gunakan bahasa Malaysia. But anyway, I will try to add a little bit more of my speech before I end, yaitu yang penting message-nya pada petang ini, tuan-tuan dan puan, we are as Christians, we have a duty. Okay, we have a duty for the country to make this country safe and free, democratic country. This is our duty as a Christian, as a Kadazan, as a Sabahan, as a Malaysian. Then finally, my message is like this: in times of strong winds, okay, kalau angin itu kuat, ya, we have to grow, we have to be united, solidarity. We have to have our roots implanted on the ground. We have to grow our roots longer and longer as the winds get stronger and stronger. This is the message. We have to be united. We have to be, solidarity is important to us, and I hope because of that, you will understand. You faham, ya, kaya kau message ku pada seperti, it's a message of unity, a message of solidarity, and then kita mesti mau tumbuhkan kita punya akar tuh sedalam-dalamnya selagi angin kuat macam. So kalau kita rasa satu pokok kita punya akar tidak panjang, tidak dalam tanam dalam ke tanah, kita akan tumbang kalau angin kuat. This is the time ya, kita inilah message saya pada malam ini. And I wish all of you, especially my AJK, for doing a hard work, betul-betul kerja kuat untuk menyediakan tempat ini sesuai untuk Christmas 2011. This is a very important occasion for DAP because the philosophy of DAP is Malaysia for all Malaysians. So this is very important, tuan-tuan dan puan. Dan saya tidak mengambil masa lagi karena ada beberapa speaker lagi yang akan datang tampil ke depan. But I thank all of you. Saya terima kasih ketahuan kuma Savia Yuzu nakaikot Bikodeti untuk ramai Tagazo the Christmas untuk Sabah and organized by DAP Sabah. Kota Haduan, thank you. Stay steady.